What if you could unlock the secrets to building lasting wealth without relying on a 9-to-5 job? Today we're diving into the actionable strategies that Robert Kiyosaki used to escape the rat race and create financial freedom. From investing in assets to embracing the entrepreneurial mindset, these are the steps that can change your financial future. Ready to start building wealth the Kiyosaki way? Let's get started. Building wealth the Kiyosaki way. Actionable strategies for financial freedom delves into the core principles and practical steps that Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, advocates for achieving financial independence. Kiyosaki's approach to building wealth is grounded in his belief that financial education, entrepreneurship, and strategic investing are the keys to breaking free from the traditional cycle of earning and spending. This guide will explore these principles in depth, offering actionable strategies to help you start building wealth today. The foundation: financial education. At the heart of Kiyosaki's philosophy is the belief that financial education is the cornerstone of wealth building. He argues that most people are financially illiterate because traditional education systems focus on teaching academic and professional skills, not financial skills. According to Kiyosaki, understanding how money works, how to manage it, and how to make it grow is essential for achieving financial independence. Steps to improve your financial education. 1. Read financial books. Start with foundational books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad to understand basic financial principles. From there, explore other works by Kiyosaki such as the Cashflow Quadrant and Rich Dad's Guide to Investing. Additionally, read widely in the fields of economics, investing, and personal finance to broaden your understanding. 2. Take courses and attend seminars. Many online platforms offer courses on financial literacy, investing, and entrepreneurship. Look for programs that align with Kiyosaki's principles. Attending seminars and workshops can also provide valuable insights and networking opportunities. 3. Follow financial news and trends. Stay informed about economic trends, market movements, and investment opportunities by following reputable financial news outlets. Understanding the broader economic environment can help you make informed financial decisions. 4. Practice with financial tools. Use financial calculators, budgeting apps, and investment simulators to practice managing money and making investment decisions. Tools like these can help you apply what you've learned in a risk-free environment before committing real money. The Cashflow Quadrant: shifting to the right side. In the Cashflow Quadrant, Kiyosaki categorizes income earners into 4 types: employees, self-employed, business owners, and investors. He argues that the path to financial freedom lies in shifting from the left side of the quadrant, employees and self-employed, to the right side, business owners and investors. Understanding the Cashflow Quadrant. 1. Employees trade time for money. They work for someone else and earn a salary or wage. While this provides job security, it also limits financial growth since income is directly tied to time worked. 2. Self-employed individuals work for themselves but often own a job rather than a business. Their income depends on their ability to work, which can be limiting. While they have more control than employees, they are still trading time for money. 3. Business owners build systems and hire people to work for them. Their income is not dependent on their own time, allowing them to leverage others' efforts to grow wealth. This is a key step toward financial independence. 4. Investors use their money to generate more money. They invest in assets that produce passive income such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and businesses. This quadrant represents the highest level of financial freedom. Steps to move to the right side of the quadrant. 1. Start a side business. If you're currently an employee, consider starting a side business to begin transitioning to the business owner quadrant. Look for opportunities that align with your skills and passions, but don't require a massive upfront investment. 2. Focus on scalability. Choose a business model that can scale, meaning it can grow without requiring a proportional increase in your time or resources. Examples include online businesses, franchises, and product-based businesses. 3. Learn to delegate. As your business grows, learn to delegate tasks and responsibilities to others. This allows you to focus on strategic decisions and frees up your time to explore other opportunities. 4. Start investing. Begin investing in assets that generate passive income. Start small if necessary, and gradually build a diverse portfolio. Real estate, stocks, and bonds are common starting points, but you should also consider other opportunities such as investing in small businesses or private equity. The importance of assets building your portfolio. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of acquiring assets that generate income rather than liabilities that drain your resources. According to Kiyosaki, assets are the key to financial freedom because they put money in your pocket without requiring you to work for it. Steps to build an asset portfolio. 1. Identify income-generating assets. Assets can take many forms, including real estate, stocks, bonds, businesses, and intellectual property. Focus on acquiring assets that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. 2. Invest in real estate. Kiyosaki is a strong advocate for real estate investing. Rental properties, for example, can generate steady income while appreciating in value over time. Start by learning the basics of real estate investing, such as how to evaluate properties, understand market trends, and manage tenants. 3. Build a stock portfolio. Investing in stocks allows you to own a piece of a company and benefit from its growth. Start by investing in well-established companies with a history of stable returns. As you gain experience, you can explore more aggressive strategies, such as investing in growth stocks or dividend-paying companies. 4. Consider alternative investments. Beyond traditional assets, consider alternative investments like peer-to-peer lending, cryptocurrency, or private equity. These can offer higher returns, but typically come with higher risks, so be sure to do thorough research before committing. 5. Reinvest earnings. As your assets generate income, reinvest that money into acquiring more assets. This creates a snowball effect, allowing your wealth to grow exponentially over time. Real estate investing, a key component of Kiyosaki's strategy. Real estate is a central element of Kiyosaki's wealth-building strategy. He views real estate as a relatively stable and predictable way to generate income and build long-term wealth. So let's talk about the steps to succeed in real estate investing. First, educate yourself. Before diving into real estate, educate yourself on the fundamentals. Understand different types of properties, residential, commercial, and so on, how to evaluate potential investments, and the legal and financial aspects of property ownership. Second, start small. Begin with a single property to gain experience. Look for a property that is within your budget, in a location with good rental demand, and that has the potential for appreciation. Third, leverage financing. One of the benefits of real estate is the ability to use leverage, borrowing money to buy a property. With a mortgage, you can control a large asset with a relatively small amount of your own money. However, be cautious with leverage, as it also increases your risk. Fourth, manage properties effectively. Effective property management is key to maximizing your returns. Whether you manage the property yourself or hire a management company, ensure that the property is well maintained, tenants are carefully screened, and rental income is collected promptly. And finally, expand your portfolio. As you gain experience and build equity in your first property, consider acquiring additional properties. Diversify your portfolio by investing in different types of real estate, residential, commercial, multifamily, and in different locations. Entrepreneurship, creating value and generating wealth. Entrepreneurship is another critical aspect of Kiyosaki's wealth-building strategy. He believes that starting and owning a business is one of the most effective ways to generate wealth and achieve financial independence. Here are the steps to succeed in entrepreneurship. First, identify a market need. The foundation of any successful business is identifying a need in the market that you can fulfill. Look for gaps in the market, emerging trends, or underserved customer segments where you can add value. Second, create a business plan. A solid business plan is essential for guiding your business and attracting potential investors. Your plan should outline your business model, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and growth plans. Third, start lean. In the early stages, focus on building a minimum viable product or service that you can quickly bring to market. This allows you to test your concept, gather feedback, and make improvements without overcommitting resources. Fourth, scale up. As your business gains traction, focus on scaling up. This may involve expanding your product line, entering new markets, or increasing production capacity. The key is to grow in a way that is sustainable and aligns with your long-term goals. Fifth, reinvest profits. Rather than spending all your profits, reinvest them into growing your business or acquiring assets. This reinvestment strategy is crucial for compounding your wealth over time. And sixth, build a team. As your business grows, surround yourself with a team of talented individuals who complement your skills and share your vision. Effective delegation and leadership are critical to scaling your business successfully. The mindset of wealth. Embracing risk and learning from failure. Kiyosaki's approach to wealth building also emphasizes the importance of mindset. He believes that the mindset of wealth involves embracing risk, learning from failure, and constantly seeking new opportunities. So let's explore the steps to develop a wealth-building mindset. First, embrace risk. Kiyosaki argues that taking calculated risks is essential for building wealth. Rather than avoiding risk, learn to manage it by educating yourself, seeking advice from experts, and making informed decisions. Second, learn from failure. Failure is an inevitable part of the journey to financial freedom. Instead of fearing failure, view it as a learning opportunity. Analyze what went wrong, identify the lessons, and apply them to future endeavors. Third, cultivate a growth mindset. A growth mindset involves believing that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. This mindset encourages continuous learning, resilience, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. Fourth, stay open to opportunities. The financial landscape is constantly changing and new opportunities are always emerging. Stay curious, keep learning, and be open to exploring new avenues for wealth building. And fifth, surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Your environment plays a significant role in shaping your mindset. Surround yourself with people who share your goals and values and who inspire and challenge you to grow. Conclusion: taking action and building your wealth. Robert Kiyosaki's wealth-building strategies offer a powerful framework for achieving financial independence. By focusing on financial education, moving to the right side of the cash flow quadrant, acquiring income-generating assets, and embracing entrepreneurship, you can start building wealth and creating a secure financial future. However, the key to success lies in taking action. It's not enough to learn these principles. You must apply them in your life. Start by setting clear financial goals, educating yourself, and taking small steps toward building your wealth. Over time, these efforts will compound, leading to significant financial growth and independence. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed, keep learning, and take consistent action, and you'll be well on your way to building wealth the Kiyosaki way.